The first thing I did for this piece was I just drew the slug, and then here I am just drawing some spots on his back and on his head. And then the next thing I did was just paint the slug. I used these bright neon colors so that he glows under blue LED lights or black lights. And then I decided that I wanted the background to be light blue. So I took dark blue and white and I mixed it together, but then I decided that it looked really cool. So I was like, I wonder if I could paint with this and get paint that has streaks of the two different colors in it. And it worked, so that's what I did. So to create the type of background for this piece that you saw in the thumbnail, you basically just put two colors together and don't mix them up entirely, and just try to get the two different colors separate on your brush as much as you can. And you don't want to pull it across your paper like a whole lot because that will mix the colors more. So you just want to try to leave the colors unmixed as possible. And then to actually paint the background, instead of just painting an outline around him, I would take the paint and I would just do dots of it so that I wasn't pulling the paint back and forth all over the paper, because then that would mix it. So that's another tip if you want to do this type of background. Just do little dots all over your paper instead of painting like you normally would. I really like this technique because it gives such a cool abstract background because you get your two different colors and then you get the mix of your colors and also just different shades of your colors. So it's like a whole bunch of different colors that are all in the same color family in one. Plus it just looks cool and it makes it really random without you having to decide where to put the different things to make it random. So that is really nice because you just kind of put paint on the paper and it looks cool.